Are you a nursing mother looking for flexible online work you can do from home while your baby naps, feeds, or plays nearby? In this video, you'll discover realistic, lesser-known online jobs tailored for nursing moms, yes, even in Nigeria, that let you earn, stay connected to your baby, and regain your sense of independence. Welcome to Earn Smart Nigeria, the channel that uncovers online income ideas that actually work for busy lives and everyday people. If you're new here, hit subscribe, give this video a like, and press the bell icon so you never miss our next income-friendly guides. First, micro course creator for parenting and baby topics. You don't need big credentials, just your experience as a nursing mother is your strength. Many platforms now pay moms to create short video courses or modules on topics like baby sleep hacks, breastfeeding tips while working, or gentle routine for nursing and newborn. How it works: choose a niche you're comfortable with, record short videos, use free tools like Canva or Google Slides for visuals, then host on Teachable, Gumroad, or Kajabi. Why it fits nursing life: you pick the time, the format, and you're building an asset you can revisit or sell again. Pro tip: keep modules 5 to 10 minutes each. Film when baby rests. Promote via Instagram or WhatsApp mom groups. Next, remote community moderator or support agent for mother or baby brands. Brands selling baby gear, nursing accessories, child-friendly products, or parenting apps often need remote moderators and support agents, people who understand the mother-baby world. Because you're nursing, you relate brilliantly. Job tasks: monitor community forums, answer questions via chat or email, schedule posts for social media groups, moderate comments, occasionally write frequently asked questions or blog posts. Platforms: check remote job boards like Hire My Mom, US-based, but sometimes globally open or global remote boards. Why it works: you work in short burst baby times, you're paid normally per hour or task, and you stay within the parenting niche you already live. Pro tip: build a simple portfolio showing you managed a parent-oriented group or wrote some posts. Apply part-time. Next, Freelance Caption or Subtitle Creator for parenting and child content channels. Many YouTube, TikTok, or parenting blogs need captioning, subtitles, or translation, especially when they target global audiences, English, French, etc. As a nursing mom, you can offer understand parenting content, and I do clean captions. How to start: use free tools like Subtitle Edit, Amara, or even YouTube's Subtitle Editor. Offer 10 minutes parent niche videos to begin. Child health, baby routines, parenting hacks. Why it fits your schedule: you pause when needed, it's low stress, and you're working in a niche you already know. Average entry pay: even beginner gigs pay us $5 to $15 per video. With steady work you can scale. Scaling and balance tips for nursing mothers: set short working windows. For example, baby rest time plus 30 minutes equals one module or task. Protect baby mom time: treat your job blocks as mini sprints, then off. Use batch work: film 3 micro course videos during nap times, then upload over weeks. Build a buffer: have 1 week of know what to do tasks in advance so you don't feel rushed. Mind your energy: choose jobs that keep you in your zone. Parenting, baby gear, tutorial style, rather than forcing unrelated niches. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Earn Smart Nigeria, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future income-friendly guides. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, your baby is your priority, but your income matters too. With the right job, you can be present and productive. See you in the next video.